Talking about legends, when these arrived yesterday, Thompson Morgan Begonias. I've got camellia and apricot shades. So let's open this and have a look, shall we? There's just all the leaf that's come with it. There's some growing instructions. How to start your donut begonias. Nice little growing guide there. Put them to one side. So right, get these out of the way. And these are them. Let's put this on one side, shall we? Got this, folks. And here we go. Get the camera set up. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. I am. I cannot wait to get these sown. So yeah. These are, first of all, when they arrive, you want to check that there's no rot on any of them. I'm not saying there's going to be, but you never know. You just want to give them a really good check over. So yeah, turn them over, have a real good look, make sure there's no damage, no mould anywhere. They look all right, and that is, they are the camellia. I'm using these two trays here. I'll just put them on this one side. Just go through these ones as well. Make sure there's no rot in any of these. Yeah, just go over it. It's really worth it because you don't want any disease. I do this wherever I'm buying begonias from. Always give them a really good check over. Some people want to know where you can tell where the top and the bottom is. Well, with this one, if you can see, there's usually a little concave top, so it really goes in a little bit, and you can see where the stems have been. Underneath, you've got the roots there. So yeah, they want to be in like so. As you can see, their little concave top. They all look alright actually, which is great news. So I'll fetch the camellias over first. A little name tag, stick that in there. All I've done, I'm using a peat-based compost. Just take these out here. Peat-based compost, just want to fill it up. You don't want to tap it down a lot. You want it loose, just get it roughly level, and then all you have to do then is just gently give them a little twist so they end up level with the compost. So the compost is all round, but the top is showing. This is the way I always grow them. It's always done well for me over the past few years. Like so, that one. And all you need to do is just give them water. You want to try not to water the tops if you can avoid it. If you get some water on the top, it's not the end of the world. If you haven't got a heated propagator or a greenhouse, I would say put them somewhere warm on a windowsill. So yeah, once they've been watered, they will go into my heated propagator at 22 degrees. Get these planted. This, like I said, this peat-based compost, you don't want them touching. That's the main thing when you're starting them off. That's one thing you don't want to do. I need a big enough space so they can start growing. The reason I start them off in trays is you can get the roots going, and then you can take them out of here and put them into pots separately. And even I have problems deciding which one's the top on this one. That's what it looks like it. Top on there, yeah, give them a good twist, get them right in there. A good twist on this one, just in there. So yeah, as soon as these start growing and you start getting some nice top growth on there, what you want to do is take them out and put them into like 9cm pots. That's what I tend to do. That's nice. Give this a good water. You want to check on them every day, make sure there's no rot. then there's no disease. That's what I tend to do. Just give them a little twist, make sure they're down in there. You don't want to bury them, that's one thing you don't want to do with these. It's alright, and that is Begonia apricot shaped. So yeah, once that's done, I shall take them from here, and these will go over here into my propagator. Here I have got some Thompson Morgan begonias from last year. As you can see, just there, that is starting to grow nicely. And look at the size of this. These were small last year, absolutely massive now. One is there as well. I mean, look at all the top growth on that one. That is looking really well. Good thing about this is kept at 20 degrees, and when the sun's out, it's a little bit warmer. This keeps the moisture in, keeps the moisture levels high, don't let them dry out, and it really helps them get going. These are like £25 to make one of these heater propagators. If you wanted to buy one that size, it'd be £100–150. I know it doesn't look much, but it does the job, and it's really worth doing. I've got a video on how to do that, by the way. Really easy to do. Right now this is being watered. Cut these over, each side by side in here. This one, like I said, give them a good check every day. I get up every morning and first thing I do is check my plants and make sure everything is growing the way it should do. Because any disease or fungus spreads really quickly in a greenhouse. Okay, once they're in there like so, give them a good chuck in and they'll be alright. So yeah, that's how to grow begonias from Thompson Morgan. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. Like the videos, please subscribe. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.